And what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I have a fake $30 Apple Watch Ultra and we are going to unbox it and try it out. So let's get started. And as you can see, the box is pretty good. It's not bad. So as you can see, we should have this band in the box. And here it's written for outdoor adventures. The Ultra Air push farther on wilder. And as you can see, here we have so many things to read. Product features. These are the product features. And also here we have what the watch can do. For example, it has a long-lasting endurance battery life, multi-sport mode, pedometer, and more, much more. Let's open the box. And yeah. It looks like a packaging. What is that? Finally, it's here. And this is the fake Apple Watch Ultra. Oh, let's take it. As you can see, it looks legit. Let's see what's on the back. So it says it's the Watch Ultra 49mm titanium and ceramic case. And what else? Oh, sapphire crystal GPS LTE WR 100 meter, dive 40 meter instead of 100 on the real one. Great, not bad. Let's see what else we got in the box. And you see that we should get this band, but we actually get this band. This one. So yeah, it's fake. It's not a real one. Great. And what else? We have another band. You have this band. What else? Okay, so we have a wireless charger. Let's test it. And let's take a watch. Put it here. And yeah, it connects. It's magnetic. Great. Yeah. So you can charge it from here. And we also get a catalog. A quick start guide. Yeah, let's start up the watch and test it out. Up the watch and everything, but on the catalog it says that you need to download this app, Masswear. I'm gonna show it to you on my phone. And as you can see, here we have the app Masswear. If we open it, we can customize the watch face. We have all these things. I'm gonna show it to you later. So I tested the Masswear app and look what I did. I changed the wallpaper to the sunset. And of course you can change the clock, of course. If you press one time here, it will, oh, it's under. So I repaired the watch. It wasn't something called the rotary encoder mode, I don't know. I restarted it and I fixed it. And as you can see, we have this really cool watch face. If we tap, you can change it. That's great. And of course, we have the pedometer here and heart. Let's test the heart rate. Let me put it here. And it's testing it. Let's see. 72, 70. Okay, great. Is it real? Yes, it's real. Okay, so 74, great. And of course, if we use this and we scroll. Okay, so 1 minute. We can. What's happening? Okay, so we can change. We can change the watch faces. As you can see, this is the Apple original one. And this is another one, the Earth. This is one of Apple's. We have this one, it's really cool, I liked it. This one, this one, this one, this one. Of course, you can add more from the Mathware app. Okay, so as you can see that the bezels are thick. Like they are okay for a fake watch, but they are thicker than the original Apple Watch. But you know, it's a fake watch, though. It will not have thin bezels, of course. So let me put it here and test it out. So when you unlock the watch, you can just press one time here. Okay, so 1 minute. I'm just wanna show you here. Okay, so this is the app drawer. It is like the Apple one, of course, but yeah, not bad, not bad. And if you press one time, it will go to the watch face. You scroll, you have these games. Let's test one of them. For example, this one. Actually, it's really lagging. It is not great at all. No. Let's exit and go to another game. For example, if we go to this game. Okay, so I think it's a little bit better. It's better. And also, if you are here on the watch face, you can swipe and you get this menu when you connect it to your phone. And yeah, great. Now on the apps, you have a ton of apps. What's happening? I don't know. Look at that. Great. I can't show you all the apps, of course, but if we go to settings, get around that, we can go to brightness and adjust the brightness. So it's on the max. This is the maximum brightness. This is the LCD. Yeah. Of course it's LCD. You can see, I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but there are shadows on the bezels. You can see shadows, and this means it's an LCD. This is the QR code to connect it. And yeah, now let's test the Mathware app. Put the watch here and take our phone, put it here, and open the Mathware app. So you can download it from the Play Store, and as you can see here on State, you have all these things here. But I just want to show you now the Dial Mode, something, the watch faces. Of course, if you go to My Dial, you can change and you can customize it, or of course you can customize it. For example, background, I can put this one and then click on save. And if I go to my watch, okay, so let me just see if it worked. Okay, so I don't think it worked, no. Let me do it again. So let me choose a photo, for example, this photo, then click on complete. This is a great shot. And of course you can change the text here. Click on save and oh yeah, now it should work. As you can see here on the watch, it has this icon here, this weird icon. %, 57, 60. Okay, and now we have this watch face, this really cool wallpaper. Great, yeah? So you can change the watch faces. You can go to Dial Mode and put whatever you want. For example, this one, get the Dial. And okay, so you can change actually. If you want to download the Mathware app, it's linked down in the description. So yeah, and also here you have some control center, and I want to show you something. just after the watch face is applied. So as you can see, it is 280.3 kilobyte. I don't know what is so slow, and it's nothing, the size is nothing. Oh yeah, we have it. That's it. That's the colorful watch face. Now, with this, if we go to the apps, you can see we can change. 1 minute. Okay, so yeah, first of all you are going to get this one, the Apple one, but if you double tap here, you can change between that. So you have this one or this one, this one, and this one. Great, yeah. And of course you can return to the Apple one. I like this one. Okay, so I don't know what's that. And yeah, that's it. And also I just want to show you how you can connect your watch to your phone. So with the Master app, go to equipment, and then I just wanna disconnect it. Okay, so you click add device and it's scanning it. What's that? Okay, so it's restarted automatically. I don't know what happened to it. So you can just scan the QR code here. Let's scan it. Use the flashlight. Okay, so it should work now. You can either use the QR code or just scan it using Bluetooth. Jump over, and yeah, we got it. That's it. So did it connect? It didn't connect. I don't know why. Let me fix it. So now it's connecting to the watch. It should work. And worked. Yay. So we are connecting the watch to the phone. Look at that. Remote control photo. So I can press here and take a shot. Actually, who will use that? So that's it. That's the fake Apple Watch. Should you get it? Actually, with the box you get this band. Let me remove my phone. You just get this band, and you get this band. You get a fake Apple Watch that connects to your phone. I don't know how. I think that you should buy the real Apple Watch. The real one is much better. But if you just use your watch for just checking the time, and I don't know, maybe only checking the time, yeah, you can get it, but I recommend the real one. The real one is much better. So, did you enjoy this video? And if you do, please subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you in the next video. Fake. I'm gonna destroy you.